अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम दानियाल। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में एक्सरसाइज 1.1 करवाई चैप्टर नंबर 1 मैथमेटिक्स सेक्स से। ये डेफिनेशन भी मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में समझा दी थी। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 1.2। in the exercise 1.2 the question is given data sets A is equal to FACE and B is equal to EGDF are subset of the universal set. U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. List the elements of A complement. In the A complement, the formula of A complement is equal to U minus A. यानी A complement का जो फॉर्मूला है वो U minus A है। और इस जैसा कि U की वैल्यू हम अपनी जगह लिख देंगे A, B, C, D, E, F, G माइनस FACE, ये हमारी A की वैल्यू। अब माइनस में ये होता है कि जो आगे वाली वैल्यू होती है वो u से माइनस होती है, तो जो u में एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं वो हम उसका आंसर आ जाता है। कॉम्प्लीमेंट में वो कहलाया जाता है माइनस। अब f लिखा हुआ है a में की वैल्यू में, और वो u की वैल्यू में से कट गया, a भी कट गया, c भी कट गया, e भी कट गया, तो बच्चा हमारे पास b d g, ये हमारे पास आंसर आ गया। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है b कॉम्प्लीमेंट। b complement में u इसका फॉर्मूला है u minus b, so we will put the value of u after the value of u I will put the value of b, u minus b. Firstly I am putting the value of u a b c d e f g. After that now I am putting the value of b e g d f f in my, so e g d f is the subtracted from u. Then the remainings are a b c. This is our answer. Now the third question is A intersect B. A intersect B. In the intersection, जब हम intersection करते हैं तो जो दो सेट्स हैं वो उनमें से जो सेम होते हैं वो उसे हम लिख देते हैं, वो हमारे पास आंसर आ जाता है। In the intersection, in the both elements, the same in the both sets, the same element the answer. This is in the intersection. So A intersection B is equal to FACE. This is the value of A intersection EGDF. So in these both sets, the common are E and F. So this is our answer. Number 4, bracket A union B whole complement. इसमें हम ये कहते हैं A यूनियन B की वैल्यू, हम A की वैल्यू लेकर U की वैल्यू। अब यूनियन में जो है ना, हम सारे एलिमेंट्स मिलाकर लिख देते हैं और वो सीक्वेंस में होते हैं, और जो सेम होते हैं वो हम नहीं लिखते। अब देखें A, अब हमारे पास A रह गया, C रह गया, D हो गया, E लिखेंगे, F हो गया, और उसके बाद G। अब यहाँ है कॉम्प्लीमेंट u माइनस जो वैल्यू होती है उसे लिखते हैं A यूनियन B लिख देंगे। तो A B C D E F G, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ u minus A union B, the answer just which is proved above of A union B. So the answer is A C D E F G. So now we are putting in the answer A B C D E F G minus A C D E F G. अब इन दोनों में से जो माइनस करेंगे u में से u माइनस ए सी डी ई एफ जी, तो हमारे पास b बचेगा, और यही हमारा आंसर कहलाया जाएगा। 5 a इंटरसेक्ट b होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट। अब b फर्स्टली हम b कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे u माइनस b, ये हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है, और फिर अब हम u की वैल्यू डाल देंगे a b c d e f g माइनस, उसके बाद हम b की वैल्यू डाल देंगे, और b की वैल्यू है e g d f। सो हम माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो आंसर बचेगा वो बचेगा a b c। अब a इंटरसेक्ट b होल b कॉम्प्लीमेंट, सो a की वैल्यू है FACE, और b कॉम्प्लीमेंट की वैल्यू जैसा कि हमने ऊपर निकाली वो है हमारे पास ABC। सो जो हमारे पास आंसर बचेगा इन दोनों में से कॉमन है वो है A और C। सो ये हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा। अब इसका 6 क्वेश्चन है A कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्ट B कॉम्प्लीमेंट। सो फर्स्टली पहले हम A कॉम्प्लीमेंट का आंसर निकालेंगे, फिर B कॉम्प्लीमेंट का, फिर आपस में दोनों का इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे। A कॉम्प्लीमेंट का आंसर, A कॉम्प्लीमेंट का फॉर्मूला है u माइनस ए। सो हम u की वैल्यू डाल देंगे और फिर a की वैल्यू डाल देंगे u माइनस ए। सो ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी में से एफ ए सी निकाल देंगे तो हमारे पास बचेगा बी डी जी। ये हमारे पास ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का आंसर आ गया। यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट का आंसर निकालेंगे। बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट का फॉर्मूला होता है यू माइनस बी। सो यू की वैल्यू है ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी में से माइनस बी की वैल्यू डाल देंगे ए जी डी एफ। सो द आंसर ऑफ बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज ए बी सी। So now we find the value of a complement and b complement. So now we are intersecting both values. So a complement intersecting b complement, and the answer of a complement is bdg intersect abc. So the answer of a complement intersect b complement is b. This is our answer. The seventh question is union universal union known. This is the sign of zero or zero. U union O means null set. This is a sign of null set. A B C D E F G union null set. So the answer is U. So the answer is A B C D E F G. We can also say that the answer is U, means universal set. The eighth question is U intersect null set. U intersect null set is equal to A B C D E F G intersect null set. So the answer of U intersect null set is null set. Now the question is, given the sets A is equal to positive even integers less than 10, means even means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So then according to the statement, and the value of A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and the B is equal to x upon x is positive odd integer less than and 10. Odd numbers are the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So according to a statement, the value of B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the subset of the universal set. Universal set, x upon x is a positive integer less than 10, and means according to a statement, the universal set and the all values are less than the 10. List the elements of. Now question is A union B complements. So firstly we will go for a B complement. The formula of B complement is U minus B. So U minus B is equal to, we will put the value of universal set. After that minus and the value of B. So if after the subtraction, the answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. A union B complement. Now put the value of A 2, 4, 6, 8 union. Now we will put the find answer which we find above. The answer which we find above. So the answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer of A union B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. This is our final answer. 10. A complement intersect B. Now firstly we will find the A complement value. So the formula of A complement is equal to U minus A. U minus A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the value of A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer of A complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And after that we will go for A complement intersect B. So now the value of A which we find above, A complement 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersect the value of B. Then the answer is A. Then the answer is A complement intersect B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The 11th question is A complement intersect B complement. So the formula of A complement is equal to U minus A. So firstly we will put the value of U. After that we will subtract it and put the value of A 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the answer of A complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we are finding the value of B complement. B complement, the formula of B complement is equal to U minus B. So now we are putting the value of U. After that we are subtracted and put the value of B, U minus B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the value of u, and the value of b is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So our answer is b complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we are intersecting both sets. A complement intersect B complement. So we are firstly we are putting so the value of now we are putting the value of A complement 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersect the value of B complement 2, 4, 6, 8. The answer of this question is null. Now question number 12. A symmetric difference B. In symmetrical difference, in between the two sets, the known common which are not coming in another set. For example, in this question, A delta A symmetrical difference B, the value of A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Symmetrical difference B is equal to the value of B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So between these two sets, the what we say symmetrical difference is nothing. In the symmetrical difference, the common are cut and the non and commons are cut and the remaining elements are written. In between them, there are not any common sets, common elements. So the answer of our question is A symmetrical difference B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 13th question, A minus B complement. Firstly, we are finding the value of B complement. The formula of B complement is equal to U minus B. So firstly, we will put the value of U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that subtraction, after that we will put the value of B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then the B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. A minus, now we are finding the value of A minus B complement. Firstly, we will put the value of A 2, 4, 6, 8 minus, after that I will put the value of B complement which we are finding above 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer is null. The question of the 14th question is A complement symmetrical difference B. So in this question we will firstly find the A complement value. So A complement is equal to U minus A. U minus A is equal to, firstly we will put the value of U. After that minus and put the value of A 2, 4, 6, 7. The answer of A complement is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now A complement symmetrical difference B. So we will firstly put the value of A complement which we are finding above. Then symmetrical difference, and then we will put the value of B. So the answer is null. Now, our next question, in the next question we will prove the question, the 17th question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, we have two sets A and B. Then show that A symmetrical difference B is equal to A union B minus A intersect B. So first we are taking LHS. The full form of LHS is left hand side. The left hand side is equal to A symmetrical difference B. So now we will firstly put the value of A and then symmetrical difference and then value of B. So the answer is 1, 3, 6, 8 because the 2 is common in both sides, so the 2 is cut, and the 4 is common in both sides, so they cut each other. Then the remaining are 1, 3, 6, 8. This is our first. And the other one is A union B. We are taking RHS, the right hand side. The right hand side is A union B minus A intersect B. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the value of A union 2, 4, 6, 8. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. And the another, now we are finding the another term A intersect B. So firstly we will put the value of A, then intersect, and then B, the value of B. The A value of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value of B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will intersect them, then the answer is 2, 4. all, because in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 6, 8, the common are 2 and 4. Now right hand side is equal to A union B minus A intersect B. So the value of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and the value of A intersect B is 2, 4. So they minus each other, they subtract each other. Then the remaining the remaining will 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. By 1 and 2, A symmetrical difference P is equal to A union B minus A intersect P. We prove this question. Now the 18th question is like this: A delta B is equal to A minus B, A union and B minus A. So we will prove this like that question. I am also do this question. Firstly, we will take LHS A symmetrical B. So the answer of symmetrical A symmetrical B is 1, 3, 6, 8, and the value of A minus B. We will first put the value of 1, 2 A 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, I will put the value of B 2, 4, 6, 8. The answer is 1 and 3. After that, now we are focus on another term B minus A. We will first put the value of B. After that, I will put the value of A. So the answer is 6 and 8. So right hand side A minus B union B minus A. If we will first put the value of A minus B, then U means union. Then after this I will put the value of B minus A. So they will the union of these two say the answer is 1, 3, 6, 8. By 1 and 2, A symmetrical difference B is equal to A union B minus A intersect B. Proved. Starting question number 19. A minus B is equal to A minus A intersect B. So firstly we will take LHS. So LHS A minus B. We will put the value of A minus B 1, 2. Firstly we will put the value of A 1, 2, 3, 4 minus put the value of B. The answer is 1 and comma 3, because 2 and 4 it present in the set A, so they cut each other and the remaining will be 1 and 3. A intersect B. The A intersect B 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 intersect 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the value of B and A. And they intersect with each other, the answer will be 2 and 4. Then an RHS A minus A intersect B. So the value of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus the value of the intersect B is equal to 2, 4. So they subtracted each other and the answer will be 1 and 3. A. By 1 and 2, A minus B is equal to A minus A intersect B. We proved this. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification earliest. And please tell me in comments that you wanna to be I can teach you in English and Urdu in both language. In which language you taking classes from me? So write on give me comments about this. That in which language you taking classes from me? You wanna to be like to take classes from me. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification earliest.